Hi everyone and welcome back to Michelle's Creative Pages. I have these tapes in today's video from the Washi Tape Shop and honestly I can't wait to show you these tapes. I've got a mixture of pre-cut pet tapes and washi tapes and I'll be showing each one up close so you can take a really close look at the artwork and quality. If you love creative journaling, bullet journaling and discovering beautiful stationery supplies, I think you're going to enjoy this haul. First up is Lemon Breeze, and this one instantly makes me think of summer journals, fresh and cheerful spreads. I love that it's a pre-cut tape, so you can simply just peel off each design rather than cutting around the artwork yourself. There's lots of lemon themed elements on this roll, which gives you plenty of variety for layering and decorating. I can already imagine using this in a bright weekly spread. This tape is also available in washi tape material. It's a beautiful tape. I love all these lemons. We've got loads of sentiments as well and some girl stickers. Let me know in the comments what you think of this tape. I think it's stunning. And I love the big blue summer sticker. It's lovely. And I'll show you that the pre-cut. I like this sentiment. I haven't got my nails today, so I don't know if I can lift these up. Let me try another one. And as you can see, beautifully die cut out. Let me know in the comments section, have you ever got any tapes from Washi Tape Shop? They're such good quality and you get so much on a roll. As you can see, look, so much on a roll. Right, I'm just going to get one of my little elastic bands to hold this together. The next one has a totally different vibe. It's this one. This one is called Mediterranean Tiles and this one is a washi tape material. It's not pre-cut, but it's so easy to use, you just need to cut along the edge of the tiles with some scissors. There's so many different designs on these tiles along the roll. Each one feels like a little piece of artwork in itself. And the colours are absolutely beautiful. This would be perfect for decorating a travel journal, wouldn't it? It's got a lovely matte feel and you just cut them like that. Beautiful. If you've got any ideas what you would do with these, let me know in the comments section. It's always nice to get ideas. This one is called Lakeside Glow and this is a pet tape and it's pre-cut. So let's have a look at this one. I think this one has such a peaceful feel to it. I love the colours in this. It's stunning, this tape. I love all the scenery stickers and the mindful quotes and the beautiful florals. Such a peaceful feeling to this tape. There's lots of different elements on this tape. It makes it perfect for travel journals, memory keeping, self-care spreads. Any page you want to be a bit more mindful and have a relaxing atmosphere. I love all the little quotes. I can see myself using these. I love the colours in them as well. And this tape is available in washi tape and pet tape. And it's a pre-cut one, just like the other ones. I like this one. I'll lift one up for you. Can't wait to get my nails back on. Lovely. Here I have the Cottage Paints bundle, and these are available separately as well. I will show you each one. These are pre-cut, so you can simply just peel off each design, no cutting needed. This one is Arbors, and I absolutely love the colour of these designs. Because it's a pre-cut, each window can be peeled off individually, which makes placement really easy. There's a lot of windows repeated along the roll, so you get plenty to work with. I really like that some of them have got plants and some have got florals around them. It's a beautiful tape, this. And like all of the Washi Tape Shop tapes, you get loads on the roll. Such good value for money. Right, and this one I'm going to show you next coordinates with that one. This one is called Cottage Panes, and you get a mixture of doors and windows with this one. And they're beautiful colours. I really like this one. I love all the plants in the windows. So beautiful. You could turn your pages into individual houses with the windows and doors, couldn't you? It'd be really nice. I love the colours, me. So beautiful. I will be doing a spread using this tape, so keep your eye out for that one. And this is a pre-cut tape as well. Are you ready to see the next one? Here's the Magnolia Bloom pet tape, and this is available in washi tape too. And this is a pre-cut tape. The floral artwork is really soft and detailed, and being pre-cut makes it easier to use. There's loads of magnolia blooms and quote elements along the roll, so you have plenty of options for layering. This would be perfect for a spring spread, wouldn't it? Or a self-care journal, or a romantic floral theme. If you've seen any of my journaling videos, you'll know that I absolutely love floral stickers. So this is so me, this tape. I love the pink in it as well. I love this quote. I'm excited about this tape. This is going to make a beautiful journal spread. Got so many options with all the different quotes and words. Yeah, I definitely love this tape. And this is pre-cut. I think I've already said that, haven't I? If you had to choose one of these tapes for your next journal spread, which one would it be? Next up is the Confident Mind pet tape, and this one feels different from the others. I love that it has a thoughtful, motivational feel. As well as the others, it's pre-cut, so you can pick out each exact piece you want to use. There's loads of different designs on this roll, which makes it great for affirmation pages, goal setting, or personal journaling. I like that you've got loads of different colours, so you can match different ones to whatever you're doing that week for your journal spreads. So let's have a look at a few of them. Got so many different ones. Got this one. This one's beautiful. This one says, dedication to my goals, love to myself. This one says, show up for myself, then show up for work. This one is said, fueled by good food. This one says, desk warrior. This tape's going to work really well in a planner or a journal. It would make a really nice gift for someone going back to school, wouldn't it? All these tapes will be linked in the description box. If you're enjoying this video, click the like button so I know. Because there's so much on a roll, you could share this with your friends, couldn't you? Right, let's move on to the next one. This one is a set of 3. And these are our last tapes for today. So let's have a look at these ones. I'll show you each one individually. So I'll take a look at this one first. There's so many different ones on this roll. All different patterns and colours. I love that they're all different shapes. I haven't used anything like this before, so I'm not sure how to use these. So if you've got any ideas, let me know. It's very beautiful, and these are all pre-cut. I really like that they're matte and not the shiny. And you get a lot on the roll. You could use this in junk journaling. That's where I think I'd use it. So we've got this one, and then we've got another one in the set, and these ones are all squares and rectangles in all different designs. These are beautiful. Got loads of different patterns. I do really like it. And this is a pre-cut tape as well. This tape would last years, wouldn't it? Because you get so much on a roll. And then we've got another one in this set. We'll take a look at that one. It's this one here. And we've got loads of different fragments on this one. They've all got a ripped feel to them. And loads of different designs. I love the colour palette. It's a really nice tape, this. And this is a pre-cut one as well. So that was the last one in the set of 3. And that's everything from today's beautiful haul from the Washi Tape Shop. I really enjoyed taking a closer look at all of these tapes with you. I think there's such a lovely mix of summer designs and cottage core elements, elegant florals and details in this collection. I can already see myself using many of these in future Dutch door spreads, weekly setups and creative journal pages. If you'd like to check out any of these tapes I've shown today, everything will be linked in the description box below.